welcome back to my channel. This is Juno with Trading the Charts Pro, and this morning I'm here trying to catch this small short. Show you guys. I'm anticipating the market to come here because we've run up and then we started into a descending triangular pattern. So for that reason, the bull is still out, the bull is still strong, but we need to have a little bit of a healthy pullback before we start running higher. And while we do that, I want to capture some of that little pullback right there. Okay. All right. So let's see if we get a breakdown right here. Typically, I always tell, my students, everybody, that you need the confirmation before you come in here and put on the chart. But right here, I'm only risking 1 point to catch this a little bit early, anticipating that it break down. So for that reason, I'm in just a tad early because I'm seeing all the right confirmations, that I need to see. And I do believe that this will pull down just a little bit more, just a little bit before he starts to head higher. And this is right before the market opens. All right. So let's see how it works out. One more thing is that we broke down below the moving averages, pulled down here. I took the trade somewhere inside here. I got stopped out for a small profit of 200, and then it ran back up. It tries to retest the moving averages, and then it broke down. But I didn't want to get in on this candlestick right here. I wanted to wait until it actually breaks the support. So that is what I'm seeing right now. And for that reason, I don't like that candle. For that reason, I was able to jump into, that trade to see if I can get my income out of this small pullback move right here before we blast off and go higher. Okay. All right. So I just need one candlestick to pop down, guys. And then I'm going to bring my stop loss down because you see right in this area, we're kind of holding some support. Oh. All right, I'm gonna switch my time frame down a little bit smaller so that I can see what is happening just a little bit better. And we can see that we're a lot closer to that range than I actually think. So this may only be a 2-point opportunity. Yeah, look at this. This is nice. The price is holding right at this level. Really, really good. But like I said, my risk right here is only 2 points. We're getting some recovery. As long as price doesn't come back and break above this candlestick, I'm okay holding this trade. All right. This is a very risky trade, but I do believe that there is some income for me right here. All right, here we go. 1,000. Come on. All right, boom.
Stop filled.
All right, guys. Yeah. So I was able to get 1,000 profit out of that quick scalp there. Just like that. Just like that. And the reason you see I got out really quick, yes, this can continue to fall back down a little bit more, but we're very, very bullish, and I'm just coming in and trying to scalp a small percentage of that move. Also, now if you understand the way price move, now that you can see that we have broke the support, typically when we break down, we try to come back and retest before we head lower if we're going to continue to go lower. But you can see, guys, look at that candle that I exited on. You see the amount of buying that came back in, and then immediately the next candlestick reversed and try to come back up. That's good. So for that trade, I was able to get $1,000 out of that one there. The first one that I took, the first short I took was, where was the first one? I think I took the first short somewhere right here. Yes, and I got stopped out on that one for just $250. So at the end, my total profit $1,250, and I just come and sit around the platform for maybe 30 minutes now. So that's not it's not bad. What you don't want to do is you do not want to get greedy, guys. You just want to come in here, look for your setup that you're comfortable trading, wait for the setup to present itself, and then you take the opportunity. When you take the opportunity, don't be greedy. Stick to the plan. So if if you plan that, hey, when price break down, I'm gonna try to scalp 2 or 3 points. Whenever you get to the 2 or 3 points, don't say, oh, it looks like it can give me another 5 points. Do not do that. That is actually your emotion kicking in and trying to control you. You have to think about the trade, plan the trade out. When you get in the trade, you have to do exactly what you plan to do before you went into the trade. Do not change the plan midway. Yes, sometimes you come in a trade, and when you got into the trade started to pull back up. You have to understand why it is pulling back up. What is that kind of move that it is making, and how you should be thinking about it. But don't change the plan midway. You should actually take the trades at the right place, so that if you do get stopped out, you got stopped out for a minimal risk. And if you manage the trade like how I teach my guys to manage the trade, the moment the trades start to work in your favor, you want to actually start lowering your risk until the market decides, hey, I'm going to stop you out. And at that point, you get stopped out. The beauty about that is that you're controlling the move no matter what. You're not allowing the market to come back and go against you. So yes, there's a probability that you can get stopped out for a smaller profit, but any profit is better than no profit. All right, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up so that YouTube algorithms can help me out with this video. And trade safe, trade your plan, and plan your trades, and never risk too much. Look forward to seeing you in my next video.